Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you guys how you can connect or install your hard disk to your DVR. You can see I just bought this hard disk yesterday. This 500 gig, and this is it. 500 gig. So it looks. So if you buy a DVR, it comes empty without a hard disk. I don't know why. So you must buy your hard disk separately from DVR. But DVR comes with these connectors inside the package or the box. So these ones are what you use to connect the hard disk to DVR. Now to connect the hard disk to here, you must get a screwdriver. You can see. So you have to loosen up or remove 4 bolts or 4 nuts. Look at one nut here, one nut here, one here, and this one. So let's start with this one. Remove this bolt here, drop, then this one at the back, drop, this, drop, and then this bolt, drop. So just shift it, you see, to open this way or to the end. You can see there's an empty cover. So drop this one. So here's the DVR, here's the motherboard or the panel. You can see how it looks. Just this small motherboard. Look at. So now I bring my hard disk. See, also I bring my connectors. Let me start with this one. This one here, how to connect. You can see these two things. This one goes here, while this one here goes here. So I start with this one. Turn it this way. You can see this how it looks. Turn it this way, face this way, then come here. You see, press it to click. See, click. Look at the back. You can see. Then bring this other one. You see, this one. Then for this one, turn this way. Bring it. Put it here. Press it in. You can see, right? Then from here, if you wish, here's a tape. You can remove it. Lift this up and put your hard disk and seal it back. For me, for now, okay. This way, lift up. You can see. Then bring your hard disk, turn this way, like this. Sit it right here. Then bring the tape. You can take back. Also, you can arrange more tapes. Then from here, you can see, bring this one. place it this way, so that it goes on this pin, you can see this way, it goes right here to the pin here, press it, click, you can see, then this one come this way, press it here, click, and see, click. So in some DVR, they come with screw, so those screw turn at the back, so you can arrange your hard drive or your hard disk. Okay, here are the screw, arrange it, then you will now screw them here to hold your hard disk. But for me, I can't find the screw, so I will just leave it like this, or I can also find tape and tape it inside here. So after it's working, then drop it, bring the cover this way, arrange it this way, shift it this way, then take your screw and screw them back. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching, and bye.